Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I make my delicious creamy coconut shrimp. First you need some jumbo shrimp, which I did devein and clean. I did add some lime juice. Then I pat it dry guys, and I add some Old Bay seasoning. Give it a good rub and set it aside for 20 minutes. Now I have some coconut milk, some onion and garlic, some tomatoes and red bell pepper along with some parsley. Now over medium heat I did place a pan with some oil, and once the oil gets hot I am going to add the shrimp, cooking them on each sides for 1 minute. Once the shrimp is finished cooking, I am going to remove them from the pan and place them into a dish. Now in the same pan I'm going to add the onion and garlic and cook them for 1 minute. I'm going to also add some butter, and this is going to give the onion and garlic a beautiful golden color. Cook them again until tender. I'm now adding the red bell pepper and the tomato and cook this for 2 minutes. Then I'm going to add the coconut milk, and guys, you want this coconut milk to boil down to half of the amount that you did put into the pan, okay? It's getting creamier and thicker, look at it. Now I'm adding some cube powder, some black pepper, and also some onion powder. I'm going to also add some crushed pepper flakes, and guys, if you don't want the heat in your food, then this is optional. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Give it a good mix. Stir it up well so that it's well combined. And I'm now going to add the shrimp, making sure that the shrimp is coated with the coconut milk. Cook this for 2 minutes guys, and I'm going to now add some parsley. And this is my delicious creamy coconut shrimps guys. Please like and subscribe and press that notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload another video.